People, welcome back. Yeah, this is your Arsenal score update. And if you don't know, now you know. Listen, if you hear this, because they gunfire today again. One out of the big, mighty cannon. Odegaard bust it into the back of the net. Burnley dead. You understand me? One to the Arsenal. One more week, one more goal, one more win. All of you haters out there. You haters out there who have, you have all the people saying and talking. You can see us on table. We are get relegated and thing. 2 from 2. We clean up the cannon. Put some big round thing in there. Big round ball. Boom! The other guard fire it. Nestle it into the top corner. Why you can't them Ashley Barnes and them Chris Wood can't stop the Gunners. 2 from 2, 6 points, climbing up the table. 11th place right now. Well, you understand that? That's the Arsenal. So Arsenal fans, Arsenal people, time to celebrate. We are back again. Big things. Don't joke thing. You understand me? Guys, let me give you some quick score update. People, let me give you you know, this is the EPL. And 4 games don't determine the winners. So though we had some fumbles and stumbles in the beginning, we are going to make our ascent now. As other teams make their descent now. You understand me? So let me give you some update. People, remember, this is your first time to the channel. Welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I am Manningsman, and this is I Am Sure Sports. Listen, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button right now. Right now. Hit the subscribe button. Like the video. Like the video. If you watch the video, please hit the like button and share the video. Alright, so let me give you some quick score update. The game that was played on Friday between Newcastle and Leeds United ended in a 1-1 tie. Alright, 1-1, Leeds and Newcastle. The first game of the Sunday morning, we had Mikel Antonio. You know, he has some, not Mikel Antonio, Ivan Toney. You know, he plays for Brentford, and they played the early morning game. He scored a penalty to help Brentford with a 2-0 win over Wolves. Wolves struggling this season. I tell people that Adama Traore is just a speedster, not a scorer. You understand me? A lot of speed, but no goal to it. You understand me? So no goals are being scored. Norwich lost one more game. They were defeated 3-1 by Watford. 3-1 by Watford. Watford doing well, you know, having been promoted to the league. Then, yeah, the big bad Arsenal, the Gunners. See that? The Gunners. See that? People don't see it. You see this? You see, on this crest, we have a cannon. 1-0 to the Arsenal. 1-0 to the Arsenal. 1-0 to the Arsenal. See this? One at a time. We have killed them one at a time, with 1 goal at a time. Brilliant free kick by Martin Odegaard. Yeah. Murder Burnley. You know, some Man City and Southampton had a tie game. Still very controversial. City scored a goal in stoppage time. Raheem Sterling, it was ruled half-side. But early in the game, you know, Southampton get a penalty and red card, but the referee looking at going on the side screen after VAR decided that it was not a penalty and it was not a red card. Liverpool! I no fool. You know, say Liverpool are my second love. You understand me? So big up Liverpool with a 3-0 victory. Yeah, man. Liverpool beat up Crystal Palace. Me tell you, say under Patrick Vieira, Crystal Palace are good down in the relegation zone. You understand me? I don't think they are good enough. I don't think he's a good coach. He's an Arsenal legend. And people get rid of this myth that because you play football, you can be a good coach. A lot of the best managers in the world, they never play at the highest level. You understand me? Because playing the game don't mean that you can translate that knowledge to other people so that they can play the game and produce the result. Yeah, so all of my Arsenal fans, listen, have faith, have hope. You know, in Arteta we don't trust, but in Arsenal we trust. You understand? We still have some challenges with the coach, but we believe that at the end of this season, I am sure that Arsenal will be in our top 6. I know people talking about team don't play well. I don't understand. Listen, you don't have to play well. What you need to do is win the game. Whether you win by 1, by 5, by 4, by 3, it doesn't matter. Win the game. 2 games, 2 clean sheets. You understand it? No spot, no wrinkle on the sheet. It is without blemish. Gabriel in my backline, they tell you, So when Gabriel come back in the team, when Aaron Ramsdale come in the goal, when Thomas Partey come Marshall, my midfield. Remember I was missing those players. When me jet leap on me right back to me, I say, yo, they man bad people. Every duel in the air, the man win. Good right back. Bellerin, thank you for leaving on loan. You understand me? Me appreciate that. Sambi Lakanga, come on, brother. The man come Marshall, my midfield. Ian's in Nathan Miles. Long time the man want to play midfield. Man, I drop some ball in there. I'm still concerned about Bobby Akosaka because he seemed to be, lagging behind, a little tired. Obama still not scoring. We need to work on him. And I think Smith Rowe need to, get a little strong. But Odegaard, Marshall the game, control the pace of the game. Tierney, we're very good now because now when Tierney get injured, we have Nuno Tavares that can come on. Ben White made several mistakes, but Gabriel Magalhaes in the back line, brother. Them man are general. Me I tell you, say Brazilian have a touch with them. So the Arsenal at it again. 1, you know that we play AFC Wimbledon on Wednesday. And then next week we play our London rivals. North London rivals. Tottenham Hotspurs. After Chelsea beat them tomorrow, we are going to beat them next week. I am sure that after next week round, an EPL game, the Arsenal will be on 9 points. People getting a new Arsenal jersey. Me that delay too. But me put it in my cart. Me put it in my shopping cart. Me go. And the yellow one me like. But me that wait because I didn't worried. But right now, faith has been restored. Hope has been restored. The gun has been clean. And shots are being fired. Hitting the target. And hey, don't make me get in. The Arsenal are back again. Listen, if you're, hey, yo, we will be up with a couple glasses. Looking at my eye. Coming out and cry. I'm going to wipe off my face. So right now, how my team are play the ball out of the back. A general thing. It's not normal. 1, 2, 3, 4 passes. My goalkeeper look confident. My centre backs them look confident. Thomas Partey playing with confidence. Odegaard playing with confidence. Faith has been restored. Things are coming together for the Arsenal. My people have faith in the Arsenal. We are going to go back to where we rightfully belong. Up in the top 6 of the Premier League. That's our rightful place. We don't look at scrabby. No look at dibby. No. This is the Arsenal. And a big side. 2 sides in England bigger than Arsenal. 2 and only 2. I'm going to give them credit. Big side Liverpool. Big side Manchester United. You see everything else? A joke compared to Arsenal. So know on a place. And careful now. Because the cannon get clean. I call Arteta, I call Mikel Arteta and Mikel Arteta. You're a good youth. You leave Everton and come on my side, come play. You give me a little FA Cup title. You're a good youth. When things are rough on Wenger, you give me a FA Cup title. A few more games. But get me some result. The man say, man, I am sure sports. Most definitely. Just give me a few more weeks. That the man tell me. He said, give me a few more weeks. I say, yeah, Mikel. He say, yes, man. We are going to get things together. We don't want to depend on Oba alone. He says, man, you notice I haven't been using Lacazette. Things are coming together. The team is gelling. We have good replacement. He said, man is man, so don't you worry. We are going to be in our rightful place. Those are the words of my coach, Mikel Arteta. Then I call Josh Kroenke. I say, Josh Kroenke. So right now, we need to spend some more money in a January. And we'll get rid of some more players. I can't tell you who yet. You hear me, Josh? Tell you what Josh said. Just say, I am sure sports. Don't ready. You can't say. Because if you're not sure, I am sure sports. Me know you're not saying Arsenal at them. Big up for yourself, people. Listen, if you have not yet, people, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. When Arsenal win, I am happy. Because when Arsenal lose, them on them beat me bad. So allow me. Laugh if you want. But my Arsenal are back at it again. I am sure that we will finish in the top 6 this year. Have a good day. Remember to stay safe, sanitize, social distance, and wear your mask. This is I Am Sure Sports. I am Omar Stennett. Remain blessed.